The Age of Dinosaurs marks one of the most remarkable chapters in Earth's history, spanning from approximately 245 to 65 million years ago during the Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous periods. Reptiles, the first truly terrestrial vertebrates, thrived during this time, evolving into a diverse array of species that dominated both land and sea. Unlike their amphibian ancestors, which remained dependent on water for reproduction, reptiles achieved complete independence from aquatic environments through a key evolutionary innovation, the shelled egg. This adaptation allowed reptiles to lay their eggs on land without the risk of desiccation, freeing them from the ecological constraints that had previously limited amphibians. The first reptiles to make this transition appeared in the late Carboniferous period, around 300 million years ago. Among them was Hylonomus, a small insect-eating reptile that inhabited the lush, swampy forests dominated by giant club mosses. As the Carboniferous gave way to the Permian and Triassic periods, reptiles continued to adapt to increasingly arid environments, developing dry, scaly skin that reduced water loss and a more efficient respiratory system that allowed them to thrive in deserts and other harsh landscapes. During the Mesozoic era, often called the Age of Reptiles, reptiles diversified into an astonishing variety of forms. Among them were the archosaurs, or ruling reptiles, which included dinosaurs, crocodiles, and flying pterosaurs. These reptiles arose from a group of early thecodonts, or socket-toothed reptiles, that emerged around 250 million years ago. Most thecodonts were large, four-legged carnivores, like Erythrosuchus, but some evolved the ability to walk on two legs, such as Ornithosuchus. From these bipedal thecodonts, the first true dinosaurs evolved. Meanwhile, separate evolutionary lines of Eosuchians gave rise to lizards and snakes. The dinosaurs, however, quickly became the dominant land vertebrates, outcompeting other reptilian groups and diversifying into an incredible array of forms that occupied nearly every ecological niche. They ranged in size from creatures no bigger than a house cat to the largest land animals that have ever lived. Dinosaurs can be classified into two major groups based on their hip structure: the Ornithischians, or bird-hipped dinosaurs, and the Saurischians, or lizard-hipped dinosaurs. The Saurischians included both massive plant-eating species, such as Diplodocus and Brachiosaurus, and some of the most fearsome predators to ever walk the earth, including Tyrannosaurus rex. The smaller bipedal carnivorous Saurischians, which were swift and agile hunters, are believed to be the ancestors of modern birds. One of the most famous transitional fossils, Archaeopteryx, discovered in late Jurassic rock formations, provides compelling evidence of the evolutionary link between dinosaurs and birds. Ornithischian dinosaurs, on the other hand, were primarily herbivores, with highly specialized jaws and teeth designed for processing plant material. This group included armored dinosaurs like Stegosaurus, horned dinosaurs like Triceratops, and the duck-billed hadrosaurs, which flourished during the Cretaceous period alongside the rapid diversification of flowering plants. While dinosaurs ruled the land, other reptiles flourished in the skies and seas. Pterosaurs, the first vertebrates to achieve powered flight, ranged in size from small, bird-like species to giants like Quetzalcoatlus, which had a wingspan of over 30 feet. In the oceans, large marine reptiles, such as the long-necked plesiosaurs and the fish-shaped ichthyosaurs, dominated the prehistoric seas. These creatures, although not dinosaurs, were an integral part of the Mesozoic ecosystem, playing key roles as predators and prey. Meanwhile, crocodiles, which shared a common ancestry with dinosaurs, remained resilient and continued to evolve into both terrestrial and aquatic forms. Unlike their dinosaur relatives, crocodiles managed to survive the mass extinction event that marked the end of the Cretaceous period, and their modern descendants still exist today as a reminder of the once dominant reptilian lineage. Around 65 million years ago, the reign of the dinosaurs came to an abrupt and dramatic end. The mass extinction event that wiped out the dinosaurs, along with the pterosaurs and large marine reptiles, remains one of the most debated topics in paleontology. Numerous theories have been proposed to explain this sudden disappearance, including catastrophic volcanic eruptions, drastic climate changes, and, most famously, the impact of a massive asteroid that struck the Yucatan Peninsula. This impact, thought to have created the Chicxulub crater, would have triggered wildfires, tsunamis, and a prolonged nuclear winter effect, blocking out sunlight and disrupting global ecosystems. Whatever the cause, this mass extinction marked the end of the dinosaurs' 180 million-year dominance over the planet, clearing the way for the rise of mammals, which would eventually evolve into the dominant land animals of the Cenozoic era. Despite their extinction, dinosaurs remain one of the most fascinating and extensively studied groups of prehistoric animals. Their fossilized remains provide invaluable insights into evolution, adaptation, and extinction, offering clues about Earth's ancient past. With the discovery of feathered dinosaur fossils in China and advanced imaging techniques revealing new details about dinosaur behavior, diet, and physiology, paleontologists continue to uncover the secrets of these remarkable creatures. The legacy of the dinosaurs lives on not only in museum displays and scientific research, but also in the birds that soar through the skies today, the closest living relatives of these magnificent reptiles. No other group of animals has ever dominated the Earth for as long as the dinosaurs did, and their story continues to captivate and inspire scientists and enthusiasts alike. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing science content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.